Hello and welcome to the schedule video. I made this video because it's really important to keep a schedule when you play the chords, scales, and different arpeggios. It's really important to note that having a schedule, having like just what we saw in the previous video, slow and steady counts. If you play one video a day or 2 videos a day, you will see progress instead of playing going through 10 videos a day and then taking a week break. If you take it slowly and steady, you will see great results. And this is why there's a schedule. I don't know how your schedule is made up. I don't know, you're probably busy with everything, with life. But I would recommend to do 1 or 2 videos a day. 1 or 2 videos a day. Like if you're going to do a basic C scale, for example, you do that, you do it all like the video lecture says, and then you're good for the day. And then you pick up another video, and then another one. If you have more time, then do not do more than 10. Do not do more than 10 videos. That's a lot. That's like 4 hours of playing, perhaps. I didn't actually time it, but it's a lot of time. Depends how fast you play it. You could do it in 4, you could do it in 6. But do not overplay and do not underplay. That's why I want to say. Do not play less than 1 video a day. 2 videos a day would be great or more. And do not play more than 10 videos a day. That would be too much. Overplaying is dangerous. Overplaying will burn you out. Overplaying will make you tired of the piano. But if you take it slowly, if you do more than 10 videos a day, it's going to be difficult. But if you take it slowly, like 1 video a day or 2 videos a day, you will just fine. You can set up your own schedule. You could look at in the next section, there's the basic section, the intermediate section, and the advanced section. You're going to move on to the basic section, and you could look there what actually fits to your schedule. You can say, oh, I could do these videos this day. I could do these videos that day. It's up to you. It's very flexible. So thank you for watching this, and hopefully you do not underplay and you do not overplay.